In this tutorial, I'll be talking about your pitch page, how you can publish it, share it, and start getting feedback on your business idea. So you'll notice that the pitch page is broken down into some sections. So we have the kind of main overview section, we have a target market section, products and services, marketing, financials, and that's it. For each section, there are some subsections which you can get Bizway to help you either write the first draft for or just write a summary of your section. So let's start with this target market section. If I would like Bizway to help me write an estimate for my market size, again, it's going to take all the information that it knows about my business that I've been working on in my docs as I complete steps in my roadmap. I just hit rewrite and Bizway will generate a summary of my market size. So fashion conscious, 18 to 25, and it's given an estimate of about 50 million within our geographic scope. I can do this for each of the sections, and then if I'd like to edit any individual pieces of information or add more details, then I can just click in and edit my pitch here, and that will auto-save to my pitch. Once I'm happy with all the sections and I'm ready to share my pitch, I can just head up to the top of the page and I can click Publish Pitch. Now this will make my pitch accessible on the web page to anyone who visits the link. If I ever want to change that, if I want to make it not live to anyone who visits, I can just unpublish it from the same spot at the top of the page. But if I'm ready to share, hit this share button and that'll take me to my link, which is an open web page that anyone can view as long as they have the link, and they can also provide feedback about my business here. So the pitch page is designed to encourage people to give feedback at every section. So as they read about your target market, it'll ask them what do they think about the market, and it'll give them some prompts here. Does it seem like a good opportunity? Any competitors you can think of? They can say, what about Depop as a competitor? They can give a rating for this section and they can submit their feedback to you as the business owner. As people add their feedback to you, head back to your pitch page and refresh, and you'll see that your summary of your feedback shows up here, shows you the section and the rating that you were given for that section. If you'd like to share the link for your pitch with anyone, just click this share link option. That'll copy the link to your clipboard, and then you can share it on social media, by email, or just as a message to your friends or family. So that's a quick summary of the pitch page. Hopefully it's a nice way for you to quickly present all the information that you've been working on as you're getting ready to launch your business. You may not want to actually prepare a whole PowerPoint pitch presentation. So hopefully this is a nice compromise and an easy way for you to get some feedback on your business and idea from friends, family, and peers.